library and movie theater.
Okay, this looks like the main sort of dormitory or barracks. I mean, before we were looking at the, they had some cots in the torpedo room also, and this looks like the main room. I mean, again, they just leave this stuff out. You know, anyone who wanted to could come steal this stuff. It really is kind of crazy if they're not stricter. But you know, these are all bunks, kind of like 3 feet off the ground here. Now, hey, this is still way better than the German U-boat, but this is also what I call the ultimate in like no privacy. I mean, think about this. Like, here we are, kind of underneath here. I know, let's go up top, okay? You're up top here. I mean, let's say you're sleeping right here where the camera's pointing. You've got another guy right next to you. I mean, this thing separating you guys is probably about a 6-inch gap, and there's a guy right next to you. And then there's a guy over there, too. And then you look over here, and there's a guy over here, too, looking at you. And not only that, but you got the walkway right next to you, so, you know, all night you just got, you know, going right by you. That's terrible. So, I mean, I hear that the ships these days are a lot better, a lot more personal space. You know, they don't need as many people on them because computers and machines do more of the work. And the submariners today are still treated pretty well because they've got to endure some bad conditions. But like, I mean, privacy's still got to be a big issue on these things. Big problem.